today, so hopefully everyone out there is having an amazing day. Anyway, so this DIY is actually nothing new. I used to make this DIY when I was in school, like I was in class 9 or 10, and my friends, they used to love this DIY a lot. So people who used to sit beside me know this DIY lip gloss. Hi Isha, if you're watching this. So for this DIY, I'm taking the regular Vaseline petroleum gel and pick any lipstick of your choice. I am taking raw cocoa. This is a Maybelline lipstick. This lipstick is not actually over, it's broken from the middle, and I'm taking the portion that's like left in the bullet. And after taking that portion, I also put back the rest of the lipstick in the bullet, and wow, it looks brand new. No, it doesn't. So I took more portion of the Vaseline and I didn't take much of the lipstick because this lipstick is like very pigmented. This is the matte bullet collection of Maybelline and it's pigmented. That you just need to light a candle and hold the spoon over it and yeah, wait for it to melt. It's seriously so satisfying to watch everything melt. It looks so damn satisfying. Then I'm taking this empty container, this Miss Clear container, and yeah, I'm just filling the lip gloss in the container. And please use a newspaper or anything because I spilled some on the floor. Please use a newspaper. Just use a newspaper while you're like pouring the lip gloss in the lip gloss bottle. I didn't because I'm too overconfident and I spilled everything. Well, not everything, but a lot. And it looked itna, but when I started wiping it, like a fool I am, it just became huge. The patch became huge. Obviously, it's Vaseline, it's oily. So my mom walked in and she saw the patch, and first she thought that I was painting and I like spilled some fabric paint on the floor, and she started screaming and I said that it's lip gloss. Somehow she started screaming more. So this is the shade Raw Cocoa. It's a brown shade and this is how the gloss looks. I think both of them looks good.
My strawberry kisses, I could fly through the wind.
If you guys like the video, subscribe to my channel. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. What was that?